put your hands together and join me again in thanking the Centenary Church Youth Choir. They traveled all the way from Suva to join us this afternoon, and we're really delighted that they could do that. What they sang was the Tourism Fiji brand song. This song supplements our brand creative, and it was quite a long process where we looked at a choice of around 3 options that were presented by the creative agency. And first, we had to select the song, and then, of course, we insisted absolutely that in all our renditions, it's sung by Fijians. So this afternoon, I think the choir did us proud. You know, we went through today a number of things, and we just hit upon some of the milestones that we have achieved, particularly over the last couple of years. And the Tourism Fiji team takes a lot of pride in seeing how these, the hard work that has been invested in all of these are now coming into fruition, and to sharing this with you as we transform our brand and take Fiji forward. One of the milestones this year, as we mentioned earlier, was the release of our new television commercials, which focus on our brand message, which all of you should know. And it is? Thank you. From the research and audit that we did throughout our major markets internationally and potential markets in 2011, that I discussed briefly with you earlier today, and we then followed by completing within 12 months a selection of 6 global agencies, which I also listed with you earlier. So that's in advertising, in web design, social media, and 3 in public relations. While we were doing that, we simultaneously began the creation of the creative part of this branding. Internationally, consumers identified Fiji as the happiest place in the world in 2011 in the Wynn Gallup poll barometer of happiness. And this led to the development of our creative platform, Fiji, where happiness finds you. The commercials reflect the essence of Fiji, the people, the culture, the diversity and friendliness, the place and the experiences. It's like no other place on this earth. Throughout the ads, while the stunning scenery is evident, the focus was to ensure that we captured on film the close-up shots of our people, the look of complete relaxation, joyful abandonment, and happiness. So the viewer who is watching these ads is compelled to look more closely at Fiji as their best next holiday destination. The ads that you're about to see were shot on location in the Asawa and Mamanutha group of islands, Taveuni, Nandi, and the highlands of Viti Levu. Fiji offers an idyllic environment and a diversity of experiences, and this gives us a unique identity. But what sets us apart from every other island destination, no matter where it is in the world, is the happiness that Fiji makes you feel, more than anywhere else in the world. The 2 ads that you're about to see are our 60 and 30-second brand commercials, with a call to action being www.fiji.travel. Can we roll the ads, please?
I know a place where happiness lives, where it waves out from every corner and floats across every face. Under blue skies and clear water, it wanders free. happiness lives here. Because here, it's not hunted, not chased, or pursued. You simply come here, and happiness will find you.